Lupin secures European Commission approval for biosimilar ranibizumab. Lupin has received approval from the European Commission for its biosimilar ranibizumab, branded as Ranluspec, in both vial and pre-filled syringe formats. This approval follows a positive opinion from the Committee for Medicinal Products for Human Use and represents a significant milestone in Lupin's global biologics journey. Ranibizumab is a recombinant humanized IgG1 monoclonal antibody fragment that works by binding to vascular endothelial growth factor A, commonly known as VEGF-A. By inhibiting VEGF-A, the drug helps prevent abnormal blood vessel growth and leakage in the retina, which are key causes of vision loss in several serious eye disorders. The indications for ranibizumab include neovascular or wet age-related macular degeneration, macular edema following retinal vein occlusion, diabetic macular edema, proliferative diabetic retinopathy, and choroidal neovascularization. These conditions affect millions of patients globally and are major contributors to vision impairment, particularly in aging populations and individuals with diabetes. The European Commission approval allows Lupin to market its biosimilar across the European Union. Commercialization will be handled by Sandoz across the EU, excluding Germany. In France, the product will be commercialized by both Sandoz and Biogaran, enabling broader market penetration in one of the region's key pharmaceutical markets. This development is strategically important for Lupin because Europe represents one of the most mature and competitive biosimilars markets globally. Regulatory standards in the EU are stringent, and approval from the European Commission reinforces the quality, safety, and efficacy profile of Lupin's biologic capabilities. Successfully navigating this regulatory pathway enhances the company's credibility in other regulated markets as well. Over the past decade, biosimilars have transformed the pharmaceutical landscape by offering cost-effective alternatives to high-value biologic therapies. Biologics are typically expensive due to their complex manufacturing processes. Biosimilars aim to provide comparable therapeutic outcomes at lower costs, thereby improving patient access and easing pressure on healthcare budgets. For healthcare systems in Europe, which are under continuous financial constraints, the introduction of additional biosimilar options intensifies competition and can significantly reduce treatment costs. This often leads to wider adoption, improved reimbursement conditions, and expanded patient access to advanced therapies. Lupin's entry into this segment with ranibizumab aligns well with these broader healthcare trends. From a business perspective, this approval strengthens Lupin's biotechnology portfolio. The company has been steadily investing in complex generics and biologics as part of its long-term diversification strategy. Traditional generics face pricing pressure in several markets, especially in the United States. Therefore, higher value segments like biosimilars offer better margin stability and sustainable growth opportunities. Thierry Wall, President EMEA and Emerging Markets at Lupin, stated that the approval underscores the strength of the company's scientific capabilities and manufacturing excellence. The company reiterated its commitment to expanding access to innovative, high-quality, and affordable biologic therapies for underserved patients worldwide. Dr. Cyrus Karkaria, President Biotechnology at Lupin, described the approval as a milestone validating the company's scientific standards and long-term commitment to advanced biologic development. These statements highlight Lupin's strategic focus on building a robust biotechnology platform that can compete globally. The partnership with Sandoz is also noteworthy. Sandoz has a strong presence in the biosimilars space and an established distribution network across Europe. By leveraging Sandoz's commercialization capabilities, Lupin can accelerate market penetration without building an entirely independent sales infrastructure in every EU country. This collaborative model optimizes costs and enhances speed to market. Another important aspect is product format flexibility. The availability of both vial and pre-filled syringe formats provides convenience for healthcare providers and supports broader clinical usage. Ease of administration is a critical factor in ophthalmology treatments, where intravitreal injections must be delivered precisely and safely. In terms of market opportunity, the global ranibizumab segment has historically generated significant revenues. Although competition from other biologics and biosimilars exists, the demand for retinal disease treatments continues to grow due to aging populations, rising diabetes prevalence, and improved diagnostic awareness. Europe remains a key market within this global opportunity. For investors and market participants, this approval signals Lupin's continued progress in regulated markets beyond its traditional generics portfolio. Diversification into biosimilars can enhance revenue mix quality and reduce dependence on commoditized segments. While immediate financial impact may depend on launch timelines and pricing dynamics, the strategic value of expanding the biologics pipeline is substantial. Additionally, securing approval in the European Union can create positive momentum for potential filings in other geographies. Regulatory success in a highly regulated region often strengthens a company's positioning during discussions with other health authorities. Overall, the European Commission approval for Lupin's biosimilar ranibizumab marks an important step in the company's biologics expansion strategy. It reinforces Lupin's capabilities in complex drug development, strengthens its European presence, and supports its long-term vision of becoming a significant global player in the biosimilars space. As competition intensifies in the global pharmaceutical industry, companies that successfully transition from traditional generics to complex biologics are likely to command stronger growth trajectories. With this milestone, Lupin continues to move in that direction, positioning itself for sustainable and value-driven expansion in the years ahead. If you found this news useful, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay connected for more timely stock market news and company updates.